Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Blizz RS3 Rotary trimmer. You have the travel bag and user manual in the back part of this right here. It's available now on Amazon. It charges with Usbc, they give you the cord, and a cleaning brush as well. So that's handy. And here it is. Comes with a cover on the trimmer as well for travel. And it definitely feels premium. This body is made out of metal right here, and it sounds like an engine is starting up. It's cool. It shows you what it's doing down here, and the bottom charging port is covered with a piece of rubber, and it is a USB-C charging port, so you have those with your cell phones. Just plug that right into this and charge it up and you're ready to go. And then for cleaning, you just pop the button right there. Very simple. Buttons right here. And then you grab this tool here and you just clean these heads when you're done. And it's very simple. And this is the RS3 Rotary trimmer from Memorism, and it's available now on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.